Hey there YouTube, good evening. The other day when I made my radio video, Dodge Coronet 68 sort of recognized the box fan that was in the background of the video. He said it looked like an Eskimo box fan that his parents once had years ago. And that's what it is. It's an Eskimo box fan. It's 2-speed, high and low. I found it in the trash. It looks pretty rough. It looks like it was used as a garage fan because there's all sorts of splatter on it. Where else would that splatter come from? I would think a garage. The handle's missing. All it is a coat hanger to carry it. It's got metal grates and a plastic fan blade. The problem with this fan is I don't know if it works or not yet. It's a mystery box fan. I plugged it in when I first got it and it didn't work. But I later found out that the power cord was hacked. It's cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off that bad cord end and I'm going to splice on this lamp cord. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, it's just a temporary wiring job, so let's plug this thing in and see if it's going to work. Let's turn her on. She works. It's on high. I'll turn her to low. Turn her to high again. Low speed seems pretty slow. I'll turn her off. Well, she's a runner or a worker. I'll connect the wires the right way instead of using wire nuts like I did as a test later on. So yeah. And that concludes this video. Bye.